Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel KD Programming. Today I am come with a new interesting point or program, that is how to identify the number is Armstrong or not. So let us start. First of all, as I told you, in every program we have to create new class. So Armstrong number, and click on this method to get this method in our program. Click on finish. So first of all, inside main method we have to declare one variable of type integer for storing integer value. So int n I am taking here. So pass one message, that is system.out.println. In that enter any number. Here enter any number. So for getting this value at runtime, we have to create one object of scanner class. So syntax for that is scanner r equals to new scanner in bracket system.in. So this is nothing but syntax for creating object of scanner class. So here one error is occur, that is scanner cannot be resolved to a type. So just click on it and we can observe here, that is import scanner java.util. So just double click on it, because we have to import the package of the scanner class at the start of program. So here now we have to call one method for getting this input value at a runtime, and I am using here next int method, and by using this reference variable I am using this method. So r dot next int. So we have to assign this, or we have to call this value, that is input value. So n equals to r dot next int. So one thing we have to keep in mind, that is we have to compare this input value to the generated output. So for the comparison purpose we have to take one another variable, that is I am taking here c equals to n. So again we have to declare this c here, c. Now our main logic is start. So I am using here file loop, file in bracket we have to put one condition, that is our input number should be greater than 0. So inside this file loop we have to start our main logic. So as in palindrome number, the logic is little bit same or little bit different. So here remainder equals to, we have to divide this number by 10 and store this remainder value in this variable remainder. So here declare this variable. So here again r equals to, we have to multiply this remainder value 3 times and we have to add the remainder into it. So as we know, what is actually Armstrong number? The sum of cube of each and every digit in that number is equals to the original number. This is nothing but the Armstrong number. So we have to multiply here remainder 3 times, remainder and remainder. So and plus here. So again we have to declare this variable r. So r equals to I am initializing here arm equals to 0 because I am using here summation operator. So again we have to divide this input number by 10. So friends, remember that I am using here, this is remainder operator, I am using here, this is here division operator. So don't confuse in these two operators. So again we have to compare this generated output to the here C. So here use if loop, I am using here if, and give here one condition, that is C equals to arm. So inside that just print this statement, that is Armstrong number. So system dot out dot print ln, in that here R and inside that Armstrong number. If this number are not equal, so in else loop we have to print the number is not Armstrong. So system dot out dot print ln, in that not Armstrong number. So this is nothing but simplest program for identifying the number is Armstrong or not. So friends, one thing you have to keep in mind, this is nothing but the main simplest logic for identifying the number is Armstrong or not. So first of all, save the program and run it. So here enter any number. So I am entering here 153. Yeah, this is Armstrong number. So again pass one another number and again run it. Again I am entering here 121. So we can observe that this is not a Armstrong number. So yeah, this is nothing but program for identifying the number is Armstrong or not. I will explain each and everything in detail now. Here I am taking one number, that is n equals to 153. So I am taking C for comparison purpose, C equals to n. Now here I am using while loop. Inside while loop there is one condition, that is number should be greater than 0, and inside this while loop I am using, that is remainder equals to n divided by 10, and again R equals to multiply remainder 3 times, that is remainder into remainder into remainder, and here it is add this arm value, and I am initializing here arm equals to 0. So here again divide n by 10, n equals to n divided by 10, and this while loop is finished here. So now again use if loop for comparison purpose. So here C equals to arm. Now first of all I am taking here number 153. So 153 is greater than or not equal to 0. So obviously 153 is greater than 0. So this condition is true. Then the cursor will go through these statements. So now here divide 153 by 10 and the remainder should be what? Remainder should be 3. So here the value of remainder now will be 3. Why the remainder should be 3? Because we know that 15 into 10 is nothing but 150 and here it is 153. So 3 is remaining. So the remainder will be 3 here. So now again in this line I am initializing here arm equals to 0 and here we have to multiply this 3 times. So here 3 into 3 into 3. So and plus here it is 0. This is nothing but 3 into 3 9 and 9 into 3 27. So here it is 27. So the value of arm is nothing but now 27 and here now the value of n will be 15. So here now n equals to 15. Now fin here we have to now compare this value of 15 with this 0. Now here 15 is greater than 0. Yeah, it's true, that is 15 is greater than 0. So here now again in this case we have to divide this 15 by 10. So 15 by 10 and the remainder is nothing but 5 here. So because we know that when I will divide 15 by 10, remainder 10 into 1 is nothing but 10 and remaining is 5. So remainder will be this 5. So now the updated value of remainder is this 5. So here in this arm we have to multiply this 5 triple times. So here equals to 5 into 5 into 5 and here it is the value of arm is nothing but 27 first of all. So 5 into 5 into 5 plus 27. So here is nothing but, as we know, 5 into 5 is 25 and 25 into 5 is 125. So here it is 125 and plus 27 and here it is nothing but 5 plus 7, it is 12 and 2 plus 2 4 and 1 5 and here it is 1. It is nothing but 152. Now when I am dividing 15 by 10, so here it is remainder 5. So now the value of updated value of n will be 1. So now again this 1 will be compared with this 0, that is 1 is greater than 0. Obviously 1 is greater than 0. So now again the current value of remainder is now 5. So if I will now divide this 1 by 10, here remainder will be 1 because we are taking here data type, that is integer, not double or float. So here remainder will be 1. So now again remainder into remainder into remainder means again we have to multiply this 1 3 times. So 1 into 1 into 1 and again we have to add this current value, that is 152 here, that is arm value. So 152. Now the current value of arm will be 153. So this is nothing but our required output. So now here again the value of n here will be 0. So again this 0 will be compared with this 0. So 0 is greater than 0 and this is false. So here while loop is terminated. So again this if loop will execute now. These values are now compared. So again here I am taking here C value, that is 153, and our generated output is, or required output is 153. So 153 equals to 153, and it is true. So 153 is nothing but the Armstrong number.